Okay, in this lesson I want to explain transition effects. So very simple and straightforward. If you going for example from this clip to that clip, I forgot to tell you something in these tracks. If you have a sound on this clip and it's annoying for you when you editing, you can mute that, or you can disable that track, or lock it to you cannot touch them, you cannot edit them accidentally. So these are three control track I forgot to tell you in the previous lesson. Mute that because I don't need the sound. That, as you can see, we are going very badly to that clip. We have a transition between them. Simply select that clip that you want to transition. It's automatically add a transition at the beginning and at the end of that clip. Going here to effects, I've explained those three in separate lessons. In this lesson, I want to explain transitions. The transitions is very simple. As you can see, if you hold mouse over them, as you can see, it's very straight and forward. For example, you can add a black. Just click black. As you can see, the two icon will be appear here and transition black between clips. Okay, I reduce the size of that. As you can see, just you have to select that clip. If you don't want need to any transition, set none. You can, for example, slide left, swipe right, up, down, push, for example, up. Just click there. As you can see, we have lots of interesting. And you can change the duration of that. For example, you can increase the time of the this transition. As you can see, I increase that time of that. It's go very slowly. If you reduce the timeline, as you can see, okay, because this clip was selected, just change the duration of this transition, because this clip has just this transition. But if you click that, as you can see, we have no time, because it shows us this clip and this clip are in a different. Just click and drag to equal them in a duration. Okay, for example, if you want to fast, this icon appear because we extend the icons, and you can see that. Okay, you can simply change your transitions. Very interesting. For example, when I click on this icon, this clip, because this clip has just this transition, you can, for example, change that. As you can see, you can change. For example, we have this, and after that transition, different transition. It's a push, and I think it's a black. Okay, you can change your transition at the beginning and the end of that specific clip. It's very simple and straightforward. If you don't need, set it to none, set it to none. That's very easy.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.